And we're live. Hello, everybody. This is Pacific Rim on Wednesday, 9th of October. In here, it's me, João, as well as Vijaya and Patrick. So, Vijaya, tell us what you're doing.
Yeah, I watched some of the videos that are paid programming. I didn't attend before. Then I went through that project documents, project and project one document,
Mhm.
and I reviewed the roles and interaction document, latest update from the Patrick. Those things I did it.
Okay. Any blocker? Any
No, no.
anything? No. Okay then. So, Patrick, hello.
Yeah, hi. So I went through the roles and interactions document
Mhm.
and updated it, created some issues where we were missing some issues, and I changed the items that were green, at least most of them, to black because I opened issues where we were missing issues. So still have to go through, and I want to make sure that every issue um, links back to the particular table in the interaction document. I don't know if I did that every time I created a new issue, but overall I think we're in pretty good shape at this point.
Sorry. Okay. Uh, okay. Any blocker? Anything?
Nope, I think we're fine.
Okay then. Hmm. Okay, so me. Uh, Yesterday, I think I didn't do anything else. I just sent an email to the client. Just finished sending an email to the client to confirm it, the meeting, saying as soon as we are up, I'll send him an invite. And I corrected an issue in CS 169, and I believe it was it. Okay, so anything else? Anything you guys want to point out?
Uh,
Well, since we're not going to really have our Scrum for Met Plus,
Mm-hmm.
because we're going to have the client meeting, just one question. We want to create an ERD, of course, for the database to get started.
Oh, I saw your question. Yeah.
Yeah, any particular tool? I mean, I've used MySQL Workbench. I like that tool. It's a free download as well.
I'm
But
okay with that. I don't have
okay,
anything, don't have any specific. I was thinking about it. I was thinking, how could we do it? And I had like a mental action point to get something online that was free that we all could change and edit and everything, but I didn't have time to put into it.
yeah, there are those guys online. Um, I know quite a few of them actually, and some of them have templates for database design. They're not as easy to use as a specific client-based tool, as you know, but
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I could look into that as well. Let me look at that.
So I don't have any preference for any of them. So for if it, I thought it web based maybe to have it somewhere else in the cloud or something that we can just then add the files that we generate into the project, and that's it.
Yeah, I can add a document. I can add a document to AV, and I can actually just point to like a Dropbox or something like that,
Yeah.
and then you guys could actually edit that as well as we need to.
Okay.
Yep. So I think I'll be able to at least start that this weekend, if not this weekend, certainly Monday before we talk. At least get a start at that. And I think, do should I review your schema currently in place, you are, or should we start from scratch? What's your thought on that? I mean, do you like your database schema that you've started already, and we want to retain some pieces of it, or have we learned too much since then, so we want to throw it away and start over?
Yes, we learn a lot, but I believe at this point what we have created, the models that we have created, Let's take a look. Quick peek. I believe they are very generic, the models at this point, because we have a model for address, one for company, one for employer, job, job seeker, job status, job skill, and user. So
But not much meat there, huh? Okay.
there's not basically the basic information from the user, and that's it. So I believe you can just start with this, and you can build over them.
Okay. Let's start with that then.
They are pretty simple. The
Mhm.
only the only ones that are not that simple are the ones that involve the user. The ones that involve the user. Database here. Operations. Create users. Create job seekers. Update users. Update job seekers. Create employers. Create skill. Skill. Job seekers. Create users. So I'm not seeing the relation between the users and the job seekers and stuff. So
Haven't had those associations yet.
there's
Well,
some sort of association because inheritance is not a concept in relational databases. So we are missing that thing because we have a bunch of attributes that are the same for all the users, and there are some that are specific. So
well, let me ask, based upon your experience and what you know about devise and can and all that stuff, do you think it's better to have a single user table, and in there we have a field called role, so we differentiate between job seeker, case manager, etc., within a single user table, or do we have tables specific to each role, if you follow? So we have a case manager table, and to me, part of that answer is how does it relate? What works better with some of the gems we might want to use downstream?
the the thing is that the I need to look into the database to see how they are related. But the thing here is that the user I saw different models to achieve this inheritance. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what I saw was that we could create like a huge table and leave fields empty for specific users that they have a specific role. They don't need certain type of things.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And but I don't think that's the way to go because we have job seekers, job
Yeah,
developers, case managers, and employers, and they all have specific
yeah.
attributes. So yes,
I'll connect after 5 minutes. I had to go out. Okay.
sorry.
I'm leaving right now. I will connect after 5 minutes.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So they have a lot of specific attributes, and I believe we get like a very big table, and it doesn't make sense to have a table that big.
Okay, so you think we might lean more towards specific tables for each role, um,
Yeah,
with
have like
shared.
maybe
Yep.
like a central table with a common information, and then
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
pick up the other information. I used the gem for that. I don't remember what gem was it. Gem, gem, gem. Yeah, it is called active record slash act as. So
Active
act
active
as
record. What was that?
active record slash
Dash.
dash
Been a long week.
and act as. I just
As
this is
is or as?
as act as
Oh, acts as. Okay,
acts as.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Yeah,
basically
active
this
record.
gem does the thing here. You just need to create put it there an annotation in the classes, and they will act as other classes.
So is it spelled like I put in the chat there?
Oh, I just placed the.
Oh, you did as
gem.
well. Okay.
That's the gem. Yeah.
Got it. Act_as. All right. Okay. I'll take a look at that. That'll help inform the database design, maybe.
Yeah. Basically, the only thing that we need in the modules, it's something like this. We just place something like this in the model, and somehow, basically, it does a query to the two tables and retrieves all the fields. That's basically what the gem does.
Oh, great.
It does it implicitly, so you don't need to be doing that ourselves. So, Salim, anything you want to have? I noticed you joined just before the meeting.
Yes. I don't know. Still, I'm going through the contents, and I don't know. To me, it's kind of just confusing sometimes because I guess you guys are already done with. But I was trying to go through the roles for the job developer, case manager, and then plus you have auditors. Also, that one also. Can that be? I mean, can case manager be a job developer?
Yes. Hello.
Salam?
I think we lost him there.
Yep, looks like it.
Okay, so but it's time. I'm going to end the Scrum, and I'm going to start our client meeting, and we'll see each other there.
Okay, see you then. Bye.